I'm Swati, the news reader of the day. Technical Hub always looks up to be unique and shows its uniqueness in the training part, starting from the enrollment of the trainees till they get the right placement. Technical Hub takes the maximum responsibility. The news of the day is the 2022 trainees of Drive Ready have got huge success rate. The total of 368 trainees got placement out of 378 trainees irrespective of IT and non-IT departments. On an average, 2 offers were secured by Drive Ready trainees, making a grand total of 771 offers. The highest offers are CallSoft 7.5 LPA, Tavant 7 LPA, Apps Associates 6 LPA, Apicero 5.1 LPA, Bosch 5 LPA, Hexaview 5 LPA, Covalence Digital 4.2 LPA. The Drive Ready 2023 trainees training has also come to an end. The course completion certificate is provided to the trainees on going through the different levels of assessment and also on the successful completion of the capstone project. Project Space, the most awaited and also which helps the trainees in getting the experience of the real-time industry projects. Project Space at Technical Hub is likely to start in the first week of May. Trainees work on different projects, work overnight to complete it successfully, and also the active help is provided by the trainees only at Project Space. Almost around 255 trainees have enrolled their names to get the experience of the real-time projects. AR, VR and UI UX. Technical Hub always gets connected to the new technologies. AR, VR and UI UX courses are being introduced to the trainees. Augmented reality, AR, augments your surroundings by adding digital elements to a live view, often by using a camera on a smartphone. Virtual reality, VR, is a completely immersive experience that replaces a real-life environment with a stimulated one. UI and UX are 2 distinct phases of web design, yet work hand in hand. While a UI focuses on your design interface and how a user interacts with it, UX emphasizes as they use your product or service. Trainees can start enrolling their names as and when the Technical Hub makes an announcement to do so. Thanks for the day and signing off.